Hello and welcome to another trip report. Today I'm flying from Urumqi, China to Wuhan. I'm flying on China Southern's AIRBUS A320. This plane today is 20 years old, and when you'll see the plane you can see that it really looks quite old and in bad shape. So let's get ready for this trip. Urumqi airport is quite large, but due to a lot of security present, it's split into different sections. Today I'm in the domestic terminal, Terminal 3 at Urumqi airport. Here is the China Southern Lounge for SkyTeam members. The airport was quite busy as it was the summer holidays and lots of Chinese tourists like to visit Xinjiang at this time of year. Boarding was quite chaotic. Here I'm in economy today. The seat was quite comfortable and the plane, even though it was quite old, didn't seem too out of fashion in the interior. But on the outside you can see it looks very old. The legroom was okay for economy and the pitch of the seat was okay too. The tray table was clean and the seat seemed in good condition for this old aircraft. But the exterior of the plane looked very old and they definitely needed a good clean, and it was quite horrible to look at the plane from the outside. Above the passengers were small TVs showing movies, and that was quite nice. We were quickly on our way and the flight time today was 4 hours 30 minutes. So quite a long domestic flight within China. China Southern have a hub in Urumqi and also in Wuhan. So they have a lot of connectivity within China. I would say China Southern is one of the best airlines in China for getting around. And they are one of the big 3 airlines in China, along with China Eastern and Air China. Shortly after takeoff, dinner was served, which was WUHAN, or a local dish of rice, beef and carrot. There also was a bread roll, some beef salad, a dried plum snack, yogurts, pickles, and also cutlery and a serviette and a wet one. They also served a drink with the meal. The meal service was good and I'm always impressed with China Southern staff as they are always so friendly. Overall, this flight was enjoyable. I really appreciate the China Southern staff and the meal service. But China Southern do need to improve in some areas. For example, the seat comfort was not amazing, but this was economy after all. Also, I think that China Southern has old AIRBUS A320s and maybe needs to replace them. So thank you for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe to my channel for more flight reports coming soon.